to all dear students. Please take out page number 52 in your mathematics book. Today we are going to start a new chapter, Unit 6, Factors and Multiples. We know when two numbers are multiplied together, the result is called their product. First of all, we should know what is factor. So, each of two numbers multiplied together to give a product is called a factor of that product. For example, 4 and 6 are the factor of 24 because 4 times 6 is 24. Okay. So, here we are given a number, means we have 24. So, what are the factors of 24? Like I have 24 ones are 24. 1 is the factor of all the numbers. Then 12 2s are 24, 4 6 are 24, 3 8s are 24. So all the numbers 3 8 4 6 2 12, all these are the factors of 24. Like I have to multiply 3 times 8, then I will get 24. I have to multiply 4 times 6, then I will get 24. So these are the factors. And what are the multiples? These are the factors. Okay. What is a multiple? Factors and multiples of a number are related to each other. Multiple of the number are obtained by multiplying that number by 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and so on. For example, I am writing a table. Just like I have to write 5 multiples of 8. So what are the 5 multiples of 8? 8 ones are 8 twos are 8 threes are 8 fours are 8 fives are. So 8 ones are 8, 8 twos are 16, 8 threes are 24, 8 fours are 32, 8 fives are 40. So all these are multiples of 8. This is the difference between factors and multiple. When we multiply two numbers to get a product, so these numbers are our factors. And when we multiply two numbers and get a product, that are the multiples. So let's study about the properties of factors. So 1 is the factor of all numbers. As I told you above that 1 is the factor of all the numbers. If I apply the property, if I have 18 divided by 1, then my answer is 18, because if I divide any number by 1, I will get the same number. Okay, so 1 is the smallest factor of any number. 1 is the smallest factor of any number. Okay, now second property is every non-zero number is a factor of itself. We can divide any number with itself, getting the answer as 1 without leaving any remainder. It is also the greatest factor of the number. So what is the greatest factor of any number? Suppose I have 1844, and if I divide the same number 1844, I will get 1. 1844 divided by 1844. So on cutting them, I will get 1 as the answer. So as above we can see that here we have 3, 8, 4, 6, 12, 2, all the factors, but which one is the largest factor of 24? So the number itself, means 24 is the largest factor of 24. If I have 339, so the largest factor of 339 is 339. The largest, our second property is the largest factor of any number is the number itself, same number. Okay, then we have every number has at least two factors, 1 and itself. For example, if we suppose any number that has only two factors, 1 and itself. So suppose I have 11, so 11 ones are 11. Do we have any other factor or 1? 11s are 11. There are two possible factors of this number, 1 and itself, 1 and 11. So how many factors of this? Every number has at least two factors, 1 and the number itself. Next one is factor of non-zero number is either less or equal to the number. Factor of non-zero means if I have any number, for example, if I do the factor of 12, what are the possible factors? 1 12s are 12, 2 6s are 12, 6 2s are 12, 3 4s are 12, and 4 3s are 12. So how many factors I have? I have 3, 4, 2, 6, 1 and 12. 1, 2, 3, 4, 6 and 12. Means any number, if any number has factor non-zero number, then it has less number of factors or equal number of factors. Means like 12 has the same factor, 12 12. The largest factor of any number is the number itself, or the remaining factors are less than this one. There cannot be a greater number which could be the factor of any number. The last number is the number itself, or the numbers less than itself are the factors of any number. So the factor of non-zero number is either less or equal to the number. Next one is every non-zero number. Means if a number that does not contain 0 is the factor of 0. Suppose I divide 0 by 6. 0 divided by 6. So what should be my answer? This number 0. So in this case 0 is the factor. 0 is the factor of every 0. So our answer will also 0. So if any number has factor 0, then every non-zero number is a factor of 0. So these were the properties of factors. Now let's come to the properties of multiples. So what are multiples? just remind the table of the number and you can easily find what is the multiple. So properties of multiples are every number is a multiple of itself, just like 4 ones are 4, 14 ones are 14. So every number is the multiple of itself. Means if I am doing the factors of 15, then I find 15 as a factor. So every number is a multiple of itself also. Like if I say that you have to find the 5 multiples of 8, like this. So the first one is 8 ones are 8. So at this time I found that the multiple of 8 is 8 also, and further we can find out other multiples. Okay, the next one is every number is multiple of 1. Same thing is there, every number is multiple of 1. So if I multiply any number with 1, I get the same number. That is why every number is multiple of 1. Then I have every multiple of a number other than itself is greater than the number. As I told you, if I will do the factor of any number, in case of factor we always find the factors are less or equal to number, and if I do multiple, so the multiple of any number is equal to the same number or greater than. Just like in the factors we have seen that we have all the numbers less than 12. 12 is the largest number and we have to find out the factor of 12. So the largest number is 12 itself and all the numbers are smaller than 12. And if I do the multiple, then I found that the number itself is multiple of the number and other numbers are greater than this number. So except 8, all numbers are greater than 8. Nobody is less than 8. So this is that property. Next one is 0 is a multiple of or 0 number. 0 when multiplied by any number, the answer is 0. Means just like the last one in factor, 0 is factor, okay, of any non-zero number. So just like 0 is multiple also of all non-zero numbers. When we multiply any number by 0, then we get 0. Okay, so 0 is a multiple of all non-zero numbers. Next we have 1 is the multiple of only one number, that is 1. If we see that in table of 1 only 1 ones are 1, so here we get 1 as the multiple of only one number, which is 1. Next one is the first multiple of a number is the number itself. The first multiple, the first multiple of a number is the number itself. For example, I have the first multiple, like first multiple of 12. So what is the first multiple of 12? If I have to find 5 multiples of 12, I will start with the very first. 12 ones are 12. This is the first multiple. The first multiple of his number is the number itself. Okay, just like if I do multiple of 14 for the first time, I will get the 14. So these are the properties of factors and multiples. And now we are going to learn how to find out the factors. So first question I have is 40. I have to find out the factors of 40. I have question number first 40. I have to find out all the factors of the given number. So in 40, let's do with table of 1. 40 is a 40, 2 20 is a 40. Just like 2 2s are 4, just put a 0 after this number, apply the tricks and do this. Then in the table of 3, 40 does not come. In table of 4 tens are, I have 40. In table of 5 eights are 40. Then in table of 10, 4s are 40. After that we do not get 40. In the table of 20, on 2 times we get 40. What we have to do, we have to reverse the number from here. So what are the factors of 40? We have 1, 2, 4, 5, 8, 10, 20. So I have all the factors of 40, which are 1, 2, 4, 5, 8, 10, 20. So this is the way to find out the factors of any number. Now you have to try all the remaining questions of this part. My next question is, write 4 multiples of the following numbers. So let's start with question number first. I have to find the 4 multiples of 7. So what are the 4 multiples? 7 ones are 7, 2s are 7, 3s are, and 7 4s are. 7 ones are 7, 7 2s are 14, 7 3s are 21, 7 4s are 28. So how to write the 4 multiples? 4 multiples of 7 are 7, 14, 21 and 28. So do the remaining parts yourself. This is very easy question. In next class we will start what are prime numbers and what are composite numbers and their exercise.